to go under the y direction, you can change the setting. I will I put minus just 360, and I can put 360. Okay, when I put the helicopter, you will see the LS one and the y direction. You tell you. Okay, now, oh, you can see now there is no rotation for the second is. You see, it's still uh, don't move when I elevate the helicopter. We will do the same thing to rotate it on this station. See now what you must do. Don't choose the empty first. Choose the Alice and go to you see add constraints. Not don't forget to don't forget to make difference with enter modifier properties and object concepts. Object concepts is used for the coordinate movement on between two objects. Transformation with transformation to or multiple object or to transform object another way. Okay. Now I choose concept because I use two object and make the one object to influence the other object or the object to follow other object. You must use contents object. I choose chart. It's not different or when you do Control P on your keyboard and you choose char to parent char before and you choose parent Control P and the parent will control the child. If you choose before the empty curve and after the Alice will control the empty. Oh no, it's a different way. Okay, I choose char. You see and I choose proper to choose what will control it. I choose empty. You see empty 0 because I have another empty. If I don't have another empty, you will make simple empty. Okay, the second object concept I will choose is transformation. I will choose transformation and I will go to property to choose again empty. Okay, this one. I check extrapolation because if you don't use and don't check extrapolate when you will rotate when you will elevate the helico, the rotation will begin and stop after another second. Extrapolation make the rotation continue. I choose extrapolation. And now I go to map 2. Map is the location. We choose location, not rotation for map from because the rotation, the location will use to influence the rotation. Location. And second way, I will map to the what you do influenced by the empty. We will choose rotate. Don't forget that. Location for map 1 or map 2 rotation. And the second thing you must uh, you must understand the way the wishes. When I already got the NC will move in the z-axis, right? Z-axis, and the rotation. I must know what the rotation will make, and if you to know that, you must choose rotation dot here, and now I see the rotation must go to Z rotation. Excuse me, X rotation. Wait, X rotation. For to have no doubt on that, you must use cursor or global, local, normal, jambal, or can well, change the rotation. And you must choose cursor to give you the right way. And now I choose again. Now I know the C is the elevator. But 5 max, 5, and for the rotation I choose Z, and I will put Z under X rotation, and now I look at X, and I choose change it in Z. Now Z equals Z. Okay, yeah. Okay, see you next time.